Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price opened and then considering it went down that low, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price ultimately closed on the day, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price certainly made a very nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at the $19.60 mark. Let's just make it $19.50, make it a little easier. Why is $19.50 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $19.50. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with these lows down here. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down, however, in this situation behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have here? Well, now you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that quote-unquote progress point as $19.50. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward. It's all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Going back to Wednesday, you can see the price was rejected by it there. And then during the final 30 minutes, once again, that's right where the price paused. So that'll be public enemy number one going into Friday. However, in my opinion, at least, top priority right now is not necessarily breaking resistance levels. It's all about starting to go through some healthy consolidations now and start to chip away with higher bases. Because as long as you have higher bases, everything else will take care of itself. So overall, very nice bounce today. Now let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.